In this video I'm going to show you how to use Lumispa. It's my favorite tool to clean my skin twice a day. So this is NuSkin Lumispa, and I'm using Age-Lock Lumispa for normal and combo skin. You can apply this cleanser straight on your skin, but I'm preferring to put it on the device, so like this I have a nice measurement, and then I spread it 4 places all over my face, and then I press this button, and already you see also here in the back the light indicating which part of my face do I need to clean. It's a sort of nice intuitive stuff. It's like brushing teeth, and after 30 seconds will be gone. You will hear a sound. Look, it's like this, so I know that I need to change it. Also, I take a little bit of my nose. And I'm following the contour of my bones. And it's, you see already I'm in a trance. It's a sort of relaxing, because it's like a very gentle massage to my face. And right now I know that I'm the last 30 seconds. I prefer to make this movement the standard way. And it's ready. And here is stopped. Right now I take a wet towel to just clean my face, or I'm doing also in the shower, just clean my face. Right now a little bit of dry my face, and right now everything what I'm putting on will be better absorbed, and I'm fresh, like I'm clean, I'm fresh, like a mountain breeze, something like this. Enjoy.